Hello world. Genergy on the ground raises a very interesting question. I skipped the differential. With my generator,
Solar support.
I skipped the.
Differential tripped my circuit breaker.
Sometimes from the generator. On other occasions, you tell me.
From the house, we proceed to our destination without any further interruptions. Response after the intro.
And why? Why does that happen? Look at Crete. In this case, it's wide open Crete. You also have the Crete asylum. Now we see it more clearly. We have these circuit breakers that are up here, okay? They are overload. That is, if here in this pin, that as we see it is 16 amps and 32 amps. If I connect the output for the 30 amp inverter here, the circuit breaker will trip. But sometimes even connecting to this 32 amps pin. As we see, a force pin can skip this differential when this differential jumps. Of course, I'm putting a lot of load here on top of those 7500 watts. You should know that in the inverter, we can configure various settings. We can tell you what power I want to take to charge batteries and what power I want to use at home. I got 7500 watts. In this case, imagine that in the inverter, I have told the inverter to put in 4000 watts or 4500 or 5000 watts to charge the battery. We are going to put it 5000 watts to charge the battery, and I want another 3000 or 4000 for the house. Do we see that we are going too far? Because if I put 4 and 4, it is already 8. And this one gives 7500. So who is going to jump? Is this differential going to differentiate this overload circuit breaker? In that case, we will have to tell the investor so that this does not happen. That instead of 4000, the battery charge, we are going to tell you to put 3000 the battery charge and 4000 to the house. To say something, that is the power distribution, so that I do not miss the power differential of the generator scene. This is one of the issues that we have to take into account, which generator I have and what is the power distribution that I am going to tell the diuntor. That is the diuntor, the investor. In terms of battery charge and how much power to the house, it is important that if I have a 4000 watt inverter, then I don't buy a 4000 watt generator. It better be larger. Okay? Let's go with the next one. Question, sometimes what is happening is that the land differential of the home jumps. Well, in this case, what's happening is that this ground wire that's here is worth this screw. The electrician has placed the earth here and has taken it to the earth concentrator at the same pike of the home, and that can't be done. The land that is this here is also valid. It cannot be entered. It's the same land as the solar inverter. The generator is a power source that has to have a land separated from the common land, the housing, the solar energy, and the distance between one pike and another, especially in land that is very humid. They should be about 25 meters away according to some regulations I have read. I mean, they have to be away from each other, because if one pike is here, I put the other one here through the earth. He sees the same problem again and jumps the house differential. There you have the two fundamental problems, why these anomalies happen, these strange disorders. Okay, is it because I've mixed the lands, or is it because I'm overloaded on the work team? All right, well, more information. Here on this website that you are currently viewing, Genergy.es, you can find a comprehensive array of technical sheets, manuals, diagrams, and all the information you need regarding our manufactured products. Should you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us via our provided emails and phone numbers. All our colleagues are at your disposal for any queries you may have. If you remember, it is forbidden to stop learning.